Choose Edit, Bulk Add, then choose the ChatGPT tab. Here you find some example prompts. Now click on the icon to copy the mind map example. Then you paste this text into ChatGPT. Now you can copy the relations into the Relations tab and press Bulk Add. Then you can select a layout you prefer. As you can see, the concepts do not have a description yet. You can add that by copying the table with descriptions to the Terms tab. Now you can see that the descriptions are available as well. If you want, you can make the mind map nicer looking. Choose View, Element Color, and Style. Now you can select the elements and change the layout. If you press the Save icon, you can store this in the browser, so you can access it later again. There are several export options. For example, you can export your mind map to PDF format.